LexisNexis is an incredibly useful database that you can use to research news, people, legal cases, and to retrieve company information. If you need to write a paper that requires you to find data on any company, LexisNexis is where you need to begin your research. Starting from Finch Library's webpage, click Find Articles Now, scroll down to the Business Databases and select LexisNexis Academic. I'll start by typing in the name of the company I'm researching, Microsoft. You can also enter the stock market ticker if you know it. Select the correct company on the initial list and be careful that you choose the correct country. Now LexisNexis displays a snapshot screen with company data. Think of it as a company dossier. Here you can see the address, a description of their business activities, their key competitors, and some stock quotes and charts. The sidebar shows the sections of the dossier. News stories featuring the company, financial data including SEC filings, any legal cases and intellectual property. Spend some time here and dig around. You will find a lot of data useful for your research paper or your report. Let's say you need to find some financial ratios. Click on Overview in the Financials section in the sidebar. This will give a fiscal overview of the company, including a multi-year summary, some cash flows, and a ratio analysis. And if you need more data than you can find on the screen, just look in the report itself. LexisNexis compiles its data from many different reports and displays them in a very readable format. Notice how at the bottom of each of these sections you can see the report from which that data was taken. Clicking the box adds this report to my selected documents, which I can later print, download, or email. I'm now going to search for the people who run the company. Returning to the snapshot, I click on Executives. Again, I want the report from which this data was taken, so I scroll down and click on the box next to the name of the report, and this will also be added to my selected documents. You can proceed this way until you have what you need. Find a part of the dossier that you want to explore. You click the box to keep the report. When you've found the data you need, just click on Selected Documents. You have the option to delete a report if you decide you don't need it. Otherwise, if you're done, click on Print, Download, or Email in the top right corner of the screen. I'll choose Download. Be very careful that you click on Full Document so you have the full text of these reports that you've been saving. And here you can see I've chosen the PDF format, and now I click Download. After a short wait, there is our PDF. And we can browse it at our leisure.